Welcome to Hometown Honeys, where we explore remote areas, looking for that unicorn. People say the most beautiful women are in the city. They're wrong.
This is the POV version of the TUY Batangas edition. Sadly, I only got 5 minutes of the footage. I don't have the hour version, so enjoy what I have left and enjoy the video.
Let's hope this works. What's up, boob tubers? Coming to you live from a town called TUY, Batangas, T-U-Y. I don't know where they got that name from. It sounds like I got a name for it. Hak TUY. That's what it is. That's the name of the town. Hak TUY. So I don't know how many people are going to join me for this one. Well, the problem with this one is it's slim pickings today, guys. I mean, literally, this town is literally devoid of people, okay? And there are definitely no pretty girls here at all, or no girls at all, really. You really want to know. But we're gonna go check it out. Gonna go walk through the center of town is actually in the middle of the highway, and then there's also a town proper that's inside a little bit, but it was like totally devoid of people. Even if I walked over there, you're probably not going to see anything. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a walkthrough, then I'm going to come back and get the car, and then I'm going to get some coffee. We're going to sit down and have a sit-down session today, okay? Since there's really nothing to see, but I want y'all to see this. It is the smallest town that I have. It's the smallest town that we've covered on this show. Smallest town, and if you see that sign over there, you see it? It says TUY proper. Can y'all see that? There you go. You see that? TUY proper. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna cross the road here without getting hit first. It's a pretty cool place. Actually, it's by the mountains. I'll get y'all a better shot of this. You see it? It's beautiful. And also, it's I'm right by the highway. It is customary for me to record the live stream with a GoPro as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't know, it's a strange kind of a little town. There's really not a lot of things going on here. And we'll see if we can find some, nope, that lady's too old. You got like a 130-year-old lady in there. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. So, she's okay, let's go check this chick out. Not on our standards on this show, but it's cool. Hello. Magkano sa damit nyo? Ito?
May price po.
Ha?
May price po nakalagay.
My price? So ayaw sumabi? Ayaw mo sumabi sa presyo? Dahil may presyo dyan, ayaw mo sumabi?
Hindi po, depende po kasi ang
Okay.
price.
So, anong pangalan mo? So sabihin ko sa yung mga kaibigan ko, anong location sa store nyo in case interesado nila bilhin yung items. Anong pangalan? Ha?
Rilyo po ang lugar.
Rilyo? Pwede ko magbe-video sa'yo?
Ay, yun na lang.
Or shy ka?
Shy.
Okay. Okay, sige. Bakit shy, ma'am? Bakit? 1,099. Bakit shy? Saan sa town proper? Doon? Town proper? Saan sa town proper sa TUY?
Ang lugar po to,
So TUY doon sa TUY?